Today I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App in a simple and secure way. First, open Cash App and go to the home screen. Tap the Bitcoin icon to access your BTC wallet. Before sending, make sure you have Bitcoin available in your balance. Tap the Send button and choose how much Bitcoin you want to transfer. You can enter the amount in BTC or in your local currency. Next, you need the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can paste it directly or scan their QR code using your camera. Always double-check the address to avoid mistakes. Once the address and amount are confirmed, choose the speed of the transaction. Faster speeds cost slightly higher fees, and slower speeds cost less. Review all details carefully, then tap Confirm. Cash App will process the transaction and broadcast it to the Bitcoin network. After a few confirmations on the blockchain, the Bitcoin will arrive in the recipient's wallet. That's all you need to send Bitcoin from Cash App quickly and safely. If you want full control of your crypto, repeat these steps anytime you need to move your Bitcoin.